I will define it, or else we will go to the assignments. Now, how do you want to assign it? Now your question comes here. What is that system asks? That? What is the basis of your assignment? Who should it be assigned to? I will set up the system based on it, that how, who will be assigned to. So let us go and see how we will be able to assign it. So I want to say that this course will be assigned to you based on your calendar or as an event. If I choose calendar, data will automatically be. Let us say this course should be automatically assigned to you every quarter, or every year in the first quarter. Getting me? Yes, that is why some of the mandatory trainings are automatically assigned to you every year. Then I said, no, it should run based on the event. Event means I will set up an event. Event is like anything, and then this will be assigned to you automatically. Next is initial number, of course. How many people should be there? It should be 1. I mean once, it will be just repeated initial period 1. Okay, I said week or month or quarter, so I will always say there will be an event every quarter. As I mentioned, it will be assigned. Oh, so it's like auto-assign every once a quarter. Okay. Now, then, initial required date basis. So I will choose based on the assignment date. So what is assignment date? I said every year in the first quarter it will be assigned to every employee. This is assignment. But I said no, there are people who joins in between, not necessarily starting the year. Right, your year starts in January, but you joined this organization in June. Then what? Then what will happen to our mandatory training? It will not be assigned. Yeah, so for that we say we will use it through from hire. So whenever you are hired, automatically in the first quarter of your hiring date, it will get assigned to you. That's why all the training, it doesn't matter when you are hired. Yeah, it's assigned to all the new hire, new joinee. Okay, I understand. Now you want to keep it on retraining basis. That's up to you. Again, same thing, because you want to restart it. Then retraining number. How many times should we repeat it? And what is the period for retraining? After months or quarter, that's up to you. And then we have assignment times. Okay. Okay. What assignment do they have? Oh, okay. So recommended, optional or mandatory? Yeah, what kind of assignment is it? I said this is a mandatory training for recommended optional. Oh, okay. Online, yeah, training. See mandatory. So this is mandatory. Oh, so like mandatory, okay. Yeah, so this is so automatically system will be mandatory. After I assigned you, I did everything. Now you will work on it, and once you complete it, then what will happen? User can add to learning history means I completed it and I can add this one in my learning history. That's what I completed. Manager can add in your learning history. My manager assigned it to me, and now he wants to add it into the learning history. Okay, do you want to create a certificate for us? Do you want to assign any certificate? So what kind of certificate should be allotted to this? So there are different templates that we will create. How to create a certificate. Okay, so that certificate, will automatically generate. Okay, so once they complete, it will receive. There it comes. Oh, okay, can I ask, where can we find the learning history? Is it under user learning? Managed user learning? That's there on the home page. Oh, okay, it's on the home page, okay. It's on the home page. Whatever you do, whatever you complete, it will be there on your home page. Oh, okay, great, understand now. Now version detail. So let's say, I completed this training today, but next year, there will be another version for this training. Every training is another version. So now what will happen? When do you want to run this version? So I will update this version. Wise, I said, whenever this is created based on creation date, it should be revised. So every year on 15th of June, next year 15th of June, it should get revised. How many times it will be revised for you? Once, 2, 3, whatever the time is. Oh, okay. So this was the standard field from SAP. But your company says, along with this, we want different fields as well. So how do you create custom fields? So custom fields are nothing but those fields that you want to create specifically for your company, separate, like your company said. Okay, I want to see that. The department of this organization or the part where you completed your training from. Or any other. You know, like they said, I want to see the region as well, of the employee. I don't see any region, but region you can create instead of it. Region will be a custom field custom. Why? Because this is your company's requirement. This is not a standard requirement from anyone. This is your company's requirement, so your company will assign it to you. So you will create those custom data. So all these custom fields are already there. But if you want, you can create your custom fields as well. So like this is the first custom field, it says SAP LMS Custom Field 1. Whatever you want to. 2. 3. Item, subclassification. If you have created any subclassification, you can use this. Can we rename them? Yes, you can. You can rename them, you can add more into it. That will come into the system setting path. Oh, there's a system, all interesting. So actually you can create additional items. Okay, thank you. Yeah, because it is very important and helpful, because every company needs some custom fields based on their requirements. Yes, so just like that. Now, at the end, once you are done with everything, there will be this part called administrative use only. This is not for your use. So, once you completed this training, what will it show? How it will work. So you can put any comments here wherein it says that this, but I say this training was created for SAP. Whenever you want it, it will be for this approval date. Whenever this training was approved, they will assign it to you. Okay, but if you don't need to, we just leave it blank. Then. Yeah, this is not a mandatory, so we can leave it blank. Okay, and once this is done, then of course you go to administrative only, and I want to see the letter path. Here you will see an option to call it SC. I don't see it for some reason.